Okay.
Okay, hi, my name is Iwan Nika. I'm the owner of this beautiful truck, trailer and everything. I had quite deep issues with my engine, was not pulling. This is a D16 16-liter engine, was not pulling, barely came home. EGR cooler was completely clogged. I took it out, went to Volvo dealer. Volvo dealer said it's finished, they cannot unclog it.
How much cost your cooler?
My cooler was at the parts department, they said $5,200.
Wow.
So I refused to give up, so I called Zeroflo. These guys came, gave me a chemical. I put in my EGR cooler was already back on the engine. I took a small trip just to see if that cleaning from Volvo works. It didn't work. It was completely plugged. So I put that Zeroflo chemical in it, let it for overnight, and then next morning water came in from one side to the other. I keep repeating because, you know,
you need 2-3 shots to be sure that everything was
Mine
perfect.
was not dirty. Mine was plugged. You put water here with pressure, the other side wouldn't come anything. It was plugged.
Right, yeah. And for the rest of your engine?
EGR cooler solved, saved my $5,200, and then Zeroflo came with that machinery, plugged it to my
injection,
intake, exhaust, everything. Took like an hour. Engine is like completely brand new, I can tell. I'm not lying. You can call me, contact me whenever you want. I'm not lying. The truck was completely different.
Mm-hmm.
My truck has 1,440,000 miles.
And for how long did you have problem with the power?
It was quite a while. I mean, the progression, the negative progression was in time, but
yeah,
the last trip before coming home, I felt like that's it. I thought, that's it, I have to rebuild the engine. I mean, after 1.4 million miles, you're thinking the time is here.
Yeah.
He's not here yet. I'm still driving it.
And how many thousand kilometers you did from the cleaning?
I did 9,000 miles.
From that cleaning?
Yeah, no problem.
And
no
everything
problem.
is perfect?
West United States, Montana,
and so
British Columbia, mountains.
You saw the difference on the idle?
On everything, my friend, on everything, even fuel mileage.
Excellent.
It's not a humongous gain of fuel mileage, and I'm not expecting from a 16-liter engine, but it is. I could see it. It
Wonderful.
It is real.
Thank you, Mika, and speak with you in another 6 months to see how your engine is running.
Absolutely.